Hi, this will be a quick and simple tutorial to show you how to export a Sketchup model to Unity and successfully bake the lights without any problems. To demonstrate how it works, we will use a free 3D Sketchup model from Sketchup Texture Club website. In order for the model to work in Unity, the most important part is to check the directions of the faces. We can do that by selecting one of these tools. If we don't fix the directions of the faces, we can end up with something like this. To reverse the face, right-click on the surface you want and select Reverse Face. Once all the surfaces are facing the right directions, we are ready to export the model to Unity. When you're ready to export the model, make sure you export it as an FBX and copy the settings as is shown on the screen. This is very important to keep the model light and for us to be able to bake the lights afterwards. Once we have opened the model in Unity, make sure you are extracting all the textures. You can extract in the folder that Sketchup created, or you can create your own folder to extract all the textures. Afterwards, make sure you press Generate Lightmap UAVs, and as well you can increase the padding from 8 to 14. You can change light settings for your own preference. In order for this to work, we need to change the light map parameters. What matters here is to change backface tolerance to 0, otherwise Unity will not understand SketchUp directions. After that's done, make sure all the objects are set on static, make sure your directional lights are ready to go, and let's try to bake it. Here you can see the results of the bake. It took approximately about 3 to 4 minutes. The shadows looks quite smooth, the same as the lighting. You can also see that there are no directional problems for the surface. If there would, you'll see something like this. I hope this was helpful to you guys. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, and if you enjoyed the video, please press like. Thank you.